We're
Kong years of
2021.
Yeah.
Dude, how I like that one. That New Year is from in that news. Hi, I'm not talking. I'm just making a New Year. How impossible. Today is December 31.
I'm sorry, I just fully agree. I was inside to the restaurant. It wasn't called the accident or a chase.
Okay, see you next time. Be careful, but there will be a New Year surprise.
Dude, what's that sound is coming from to the far away?